Guys, look at my makeup. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't think I've done a makeup tutorial yet, but I have done one for you guys. Who doesn't love a red lip? The lip does it all already. Alright guys, let's just get straight into it. So as you can see, my lashes are done by Lash Daily on Instagram. Go check her out. I'm just starting off with Fix Plus to prep my skin before I use Hourglass Stick Foundation, which is my absolute favourite foundation. But I'm also mixing it with Nars Sheer Glow. I don't know why, I just like to mix my foundations, and what I do is I mix it around and put it all over my face so that it's easy to blend with my Real Techniques sponge blender. I can't remember what it's called, but you guys know which one it is. When I'm blending out my foundation, I literally take my time. You guys need to blend. Then I obviously use concealer. You guys know the drill. I like to go over it with a lighter concealer for the inner parts of my eyes and the eye bag, and to lift my eye in the outer parts of my eyes. As you can see, it brightens it up. I'm just making sure there are no creases so that when I put this translucent powder on, it is nice and smooth. I don't like to bake either, so I literally just pat that in. Next, I need to contour. I'm using Bahama Mama and using a big fan brush, so I'm able to get into the hollows of my cheeks easier. And I just do an overall bronze and contour my nose with it. It's easy to contour your nose with this, you know. Now I'm using a more warm toned bronzer, so I have that more bronzy look. I think a bronzed face with a red lip looks so good together, but make sure you are blending it so it looks nice and seamless. Then I go in with a blush called Hot Mama by the Balm Cosmetics. Nothing too loud because obviously the red lip is going to be the loudest part of the makeup. So when I'm doing my eyeshadow here, you'll see that it's only going to be just a bronzy eye, which isn't too much. I think that all the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighters are so good, but this one I'm using a more golden tone so that it can go with the bronzy look. So I line my lips with a MAC lip liner in shade Miss Diva, and I do my Cupid's bow first, which is the hardest bit because you really want to make it symmetrical. Wow, my lips look dusty. Wow. Guys, make sure your lipstick and your lip liner is nice and blended. Blend it with your lips, blend it with your fingers. Okay, so I looked at myself in the mirror and I forgot one thing. Okay, I'm using my left hand. Hold up. Right here. Boom. Look. I really like this look. I hope you do too. Hope you guys have a minute. I hope you had an amazing day. You heard. Peace. Guys, this is my makeup in daylight. What do you think? Guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram at GianLorraine, and I have Snapchat, which is at GBalm. Whilst you're here, make sure you subscribe. Thank you. Bye.